No career is perfect, and therefore no resume is perfect. There are many things that we see on our resume that we consider to be flaws, but really they're just part of our career story. Here are 10 things I want you to stop stressing about on your resume. Number 1, lack of volunteer work. Volunteer work is really a nice to have, but not a necessity. Number 2, personal leave for raising kids, taking care of parents. On your resume, just address this transparently while also honoring your own privacy and carry on. You can view my video from a couple weeks back that will tell you how to address some common career gaps. Number 3, personal leave for your own personal needs. Again, mention this transparently and while also honoring your own privacy, and refer to my video from a couple weeks ago for more information. Number 4, you don't have a degree. You've gotten this far in your career, so hang your hat more so on your results and your accomplishments rather than on your education. Number 5, a series of short-term gigs. What you want to do is consolidate these where you can while still being truthful. Number 6, only having one or a couple employers. The approach for this will be the total opposite in number 5, and what you want to do is really highlight career progression and progressive addition of new responsibilities. Number 7, a layoff. Address it transparently so long as it was from a reorganization, and say how you've been productively filling your time since then. Number 8, contract roles. There's really no need to draw attention to the fact that these are contract roles. Just know that work experience is real work experience, no matter that it's permanent or contract. Number 9, identifying transferable skills. If the target job posts skills and you have them, indicate these on your resume. Boom, transferable skills. And number 10, appearing well-rounded. What does that even mean anyway? Well-rounded was important for university applications, but you're more of a specialist now. So don't worry about having all sorts of interests in all sorts of different things. So what are you most worried about on your resume? Tell me in the comments below, and we'll see how we can help you stop stressing about it. And stay tuned for next Tuesday's Tuesday 10. Thanks for joining.